Hi, welcome back to Congolese dance tutorials. My name is Brian, and I'm about to teach you KIBONGILE. Very easy move, very fun. Whenever that goes on in parties, everyone goes crazy. So I'm gonna teach you now. So if you're ready, your feet ready for this move, I'm gonna use them. See you on the other side. Right, so this move involves your feet, of course. Not a lot of waist, actually, for this move, but it does involve your arms, right? So, to start off with the move, it's just 2 steps forward, right? And then 2 steps back. So, you start off with your left and your right. So, as you step forward, you step back, then straight away, step forward again, and you step back. However, notice my body is leaning back as I step, right? So, I'm not stepping leaning forward, I'm stepping leaning back. So every time you step forward, your body leans back, and then you step back into a straight position. Step forward in a leaning position, step back in a straight position, right? So you go 1, 2, right? And then the fun part, you just cut. It's like you're cutting someone's head off. Yes, very gory. Or you're twisting something. You've got a ball in your hand and you're twisting it. So you go 1, 2, to be like KIBONGILE. So you twist twice, and then the third time you twist a bit further up, right? So you go 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. However way you want to go left, right, doesn't really matter. Right, so I'm gonna do it this way so you can see how my body is. Go 1, 2, 3. Right? As I'm stepping as well, I'm using my arms for balance. So my arm is just coming forward naturally. It's not part of the move. You can do it backwards, doesn't really matter. But for me, I use my arms just to balance myself so I don't fall back. Right? So you go 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, to be like KIBONGILE. Easy, simple. Now let's do it to some music. You ready? So that is KIBONGILE. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Be ready to check out our next video coming out probably next week, and we'll have some more moves for you guys. If you have any other suggestions, put it in the comments down below. Make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Mario asongi epeya baboti akuti mbeto na ye ya bomwana ekomi tango akolala mbeto mokuse mako